Right, let's quickly have a look at Spring Day, the candidate solo part. I'm going to explain exactly where the hands must go, what the fingering must be, how to make it a little bit more easier to play, as well as the rhythm, which is very important. Afterwards, I will play it with the optional duet part that I've recorded just for reference. Okay, so Spring Day is set in 4/4 time, so the time signature is 4 crotchet beats per bar, meaning we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Very important. The key signature here is C major. There's no accidentals, so all we need to do is remember to press down the correct white keys. Okay, where are we going to start with this piece? Well, both hands basically do the same thing. So if we focus on the one hand and let the other hand do exactly the same, we'll get the whole idea of how to play this. We need to start at G. As you will see with the score, both are written for the treble clef, meaning that the left hand is going to read right hand notes or treble clef notes as well, or G clef notes, same as the right hand. Now we're not going to start. We're going to find middle C first. So there's middle C, and then we're going to find G above that, and then we're going to find G above that once again. So the right hand is going to start here on our 5th finger, and the left hand is going to start on the G above middle C, and that's going to be our 1st finger. Alright, so we're going to go there and there. So we're still basically in middle C position. Now, if we continue and we play the first few bars, 3, 4, 3, 1, 5, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. We'll see that it's more or less the same for the left hand, although we're going to start with fun. Focus on a hand which is the most easiest to you, and then try and play both hands together. Right, the second part is a little bit different in the sense that we will be starting on our 2nd finger and our 2nd finger as well in the left hand. So F and D. And as we can see, the left hand is a semi-brief note. We're going to hold it down while we do. Right, so 2, 3, 2, 3. Then we're going to go 3rd finger, 5th finger, and when we press down the 5th finger, we're going to lift up our thumb. Again, lift for two rest, the minimum rest. And it's going to repeat. Right, putting in hands together up until bars number 8, 1 to 8, we're going to go. Now the little change. 2, 2. Lift right hand, repeat. And now what's lovely about this piece is we're going to repeat again. Bars 9, 10, 11 and 12 is repeat of the first 4 bars. Now the last section, bars 13 to 18 basically, is a little bit different. Well, the right hand is now going to play 2 notes while the left hand doesn't. What I mean by this is we're going to repeat the first section again, 2 and 2. Now we're going to press down G while we lift up our 3rd finger here, and we're going to repeat that, but now hold down for 4, lift. At the very end there's a bar which has a line drawn through it and 2 written for both treble both treble clefs basically. This means that we're going to rest again for counting 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. While the duet part finishes its playing. Right. Once again from the beginning. Little change. 2 and 2. Remember, right hand lifts. And repeat. This time forte. Loudly. Now, the left hand lifts. And hold. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And remove hands from the piano. Playing it with the optional duet part, or the duet. Because this is duet, it's going to sound something like this.